Hello, everyone. It's Frank Manley, Keller Williams Capital Properties, the tech driver. Today, I'm going to talk about how to create a landing page for an open house. So basically, it's a sign-in sheet for the people that come in to your open house. They can use this. You can use this on an iPad or a computer at the door for people to sign in. Once they fill in the information, their contact information will go right into Command. So you'll have their information right into your database. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is log into commandagent.kw.com. We'll bring you to the sign-in sheet. You'll sign in with your username and password. Then you'll be brought to the main screen, which is here. And then once you're at the main screen, we're going to go down to the bottom icon on the left, which is Sites, and we're going to click on that icon. And that's the site icon, and it would open up. And we're going to click on landing page because we're going to create a landing page, and then we're going to create a new site. So once you click create a new site, it's going to ask you it's going to ask you if you want to create it on your website or a standalone page. We want this as a standalone page because it's a landing page specific to our open house. So we're going to click standalone page, and we're going to click create page. Once you click create page, you'll want to X out of this black bar here, and you'll want to name your page up at the top. So the page, you're going to name the page. This is for your eyes and your information only. It's just for you to have it in your library so you understand which page it is. So I'm going to just leave an open house, sign in, New York Avenue. Okay, I've named it. Now, we've named it, we've got rid of the black bar at the bottom. We are now with a blank canvas. So we're going to take the canvas and we're going to paint it or put artwork on the canvas. The artwork is the widgets, which are here on the right-hand side. These are elements that you can add to the canvas to build, they're building blocks for your landing page. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put a branded header. So your marketing profile should be set up. If it is, you're going to click the branding header, you're going to drag it over, and once you drag the branded header over, your contact information, profile photo, logos will appear. Next, let's put the lead form in. That's the form that the people are going to use to fill in and submit their information. So there is the lead form. And then lastly, we're going to put the listing. We're going to drag the listing. We're just going to drag it over into the landing page as well. So now we've got three elements to this landing page: branded header, contact information to be filled out, and then the actual listing itself. Now this is not the listing, this is just the building blocks. We're going to configure all three of these elements. So to do that, you'll go down to configure widgets, click configure widgets. Now you've got three elements that need to be configured. Once they're configured and complete, there'll be a check mark and the circle will turn blue or green. You'll know that those are complete, and then you can publish your page. On here, the lead form is actually completed. There's nothing to be changed, but we're going to change it anyway because I'm going to change this heading. So let's start with the branded header. We need to change some stuff in the branded header or add some stuff. So click branded header, and what we need to add on here is the header text. Is this a just listed, a just sold, or an open house? Well, this is an open house, so I'm going to put welcome to our open house. Okay, and then everything else looks fine. You can change any of this if you'd like. Once you are happy with all of that information, you're going to save and apply, and it's going to drop in welcome to our open house. Up here at the top, you've got the little arrows. You're going to click this arrow back, and we're going to go to the second box to be changed, which is the lead form. It's fine the way it is, but I want to just change this because I don't like interested, let's talk. So I want to put in, please sign in to view our open house. Okay, and you can change that to however you want. We're going to save and apply, and that's going to change the wording there. Okay, and then next we're going to do the listing. So this is a default listing. We're going to actually go in and change it. So we're going to go back over to the arrow, click the arrow, go and click the listing. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to find the listing that you're going to promote at your open house. So I'm just going to browse the listings. I'm just going to type in an address, 437 New York Avenue, Washington, DC, and enter. So all the for sales at Washington at the 437 New York Avenue will pop up. You'll find yours. Once you find yours, you're just going to select it. I'm just going to use this one for demonstration purposes. Once you select it, it's going to pull all of the information from that listing, all the photos, all the descriptions, all of the MLS data, such as square footage, tax records, bedrooms, bathrooms, all the information about that listing. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this photo to one of these photos here. So I'm just going to use the main photo and save and apply. Once I do that, it's going to change the actual listing. So there's the listing. There's the square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, year built, about the property. That is the description that's in the MLS. Additional photos, all of the pertinent information on the listing, and the Google map. Okay, so now we have our landing page set up. So basically, header, lead form, which is where they sign in, and the listing information. We're going to save and apply. Once we save and apply, we're going to now publish the page. This published page is green because we filled in all three of the widgets or the building blocks correctly. So publish page. Once we publish page, we click yes. You want to publish to make this visible to others. Click yes, and voila. And then in your library is now your open house URL for New York Avenue. There is the actual page URL. So you can take this URL and you can email it to yourself and then open it up, open the URL up on an iPad at your open house or a computer, or log into Command and just click on the link, and there we go. People can just sign in and the information's there. Once they sign in, all of the contact information will go right into your contacts into Command. Any questions, give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you or assist you in anything that's Command related. Again, have a great day and enjoy.